is Arlene for Her Mozart-Her Trazom on the New York City Ferry. And getting a lot of slush and mush and all that, mostly for waves. Look at that. I'm on board the New York City Ferry, and there's a bunch of people here also looking to get some extra sun and beach these last days in September. Again, to Arlene for Her Mozart-Her Trazom, marketing and media. Very affordable way to get around New York by boat, if you'd like. This will pick you up in downtown Manhattan, to Brooklyn, Sunset Brooklyn, all the way over to Far Rockaway, which is in the Queens area. Back to go jet skiing with this thing, or skiing, water skiing. Some industrial cranes. That's on the New Jersey side. Manhattan is on the right side over here. Then there's a gap, and that's the Hudson River, and then New Jersey on this side here. Starting for Her Mozart-Her Trazom, marketing and media.